That's going to be fun to watch.
It is going to be a really, really good treat to watch later tonight after our 11 p.m. broadcast. And, you know, thankfully, it's not going to be as rainy, as turbulent as it was last night. I remember even I left last night after Front Row Friday, and I was like, man, you need a paddle to get through downtown Cleveland. Let's talk about the forecast, at least for tonight. There's a chance for an isolated shower possible across northeast Ohio. But all in all, we've had a really beautiful, seasonable day across the area today, from downtown Cleveland over to Warrensville, as well as Canton, Akron, even down to Cuyahoga Falls. So this is what it looks like on the satellite and radar scope there. When you look at the lower 48, specifically across the Midwest, this is what we're watching for the next, let's say maybe next 12 hours. This is likely just going to clip us just up towards the north, and that could cause a little bit of added cloud cover as well as the threat for an isolated shower or two. It is minuscule, though. It's not really a widespread, it's not really a really potent dynamic system, but it does, of course, have a little bit of moisture with it. So we'll add a couple drip drops here to the bucket. But we do also still have some active flood warnings across region, and we're talking about that at the top of the broadcast. Roughly about a handful right now, but specifically we're going to hone in the one over in Stark County near that Canton area. That is a wider polygon, so all surrounding areas around that area will likely be dealing with either some minimal flooding or maybe even some moderate flooding. So remember, if you have a flooded roadway in and around your area or someplace that you need to go, just find an alternate route. Okay, you can save your life and others' lives as well. Mid to upper 40s right now, around 50 degrees for Dover, New Philly. We've got a nice lake breeze right now. We're in the upper 30s to low 40s from Cuyahoga County over towards Ashtabula. As we look at what's happening tonight, a few showers will be possible. It's going to be chilly again, so we'll be back into the 30s. By Sunday, a bit more cloud cover rather than sunshine is going to be expected. So a bit of a flip-flop from today. 40s still in the forecast, but next week, winter is going to be returning with colder conditions, and we'll talk about precipitation coming along with that as well. Here's your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. You can see there is that system clipping us just up towards the north. A few isolated showers will be possible through the overnight hours through about 3, 4 a.m., and then we'll back off a wee bit. We'll have more clouds rather than sun, so we'll have a due north-northwest wind across the area. That'll keep our conditions and also our temperatures cool tomorrow in the upper 30s to low 40s. Even that sticks around through the afternoon and evening hours as well for dinner time. All in all, we're expecting Monday to be a bit of a change as well. So a change from yesterday to today, a change from today to tomorrow, and a change from tomorrow towards Monday. You got that? Monday morning, we're waking up in the mid to low 40s across the area. Through mid to low 30s across the area, I should say. Through the early afternoon, temperatures climb a little bit, so we start to have a more south wind come on in. We'll have plenty of cloud cover. Some areas could even make it to the mid to upper 50s inland. There's another wave of rain coming into the area. Moderate to heavy showers possible through dinner time on Monday, and then we'll likely have a cold front coming right behind that Monday night into early Tuesday. We could have some snow mixing over a little bit of rain, little to no accumulation expected, but because we'll have that north performing wind, it'll keep conditions cool and also tap into the lake as well. So widespread 30s possible, at least likely, on Tuesday. Here's your Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook. You can see our temperatures climb to mid to upper 50s on Monday. Showers will be likely. A morning mix. A little bit more snow rather than rain, but we'll be stuck into the mid to upper 30s for high temperatures. Cooler Wednesday and Thursday. We bump back up a little bit by Friday with our next system developing, leading towards rain and snow likely on Saturday.